What's the meaning of aqueous? Aqueous. Aqueous.
Aqueous. Aqueous. The term aqueous refers to something that contains or is related to water. It can describe a solution or mixture that uses water as a solvent. Aqueous solutions are common in chemistry and biology, as many substances dissolve in water. For example, the human body is made up of approximately 60% aqueous solution. Additionally, some industrial processes use aqueous solutions for cleaning or chemical reactions. Overall, the term aqueous indicates a connection to water and its properties, with many applications across various fields.